Hi, this is Chonburi Pirates video. That is my second day in state quarantine. Because of time zones and all these changes, my sleep is totally going. I wake up, I went to sleep 3 a.m. I woke up 11. The breakfast is already cold. They bringing food to my room. I mean, they leaving it outside of the room. They knocking the door and then you taking the food. I need to report temperature 2 times per day. After 2 days, I will have a COVID test again. During my stay, I will have 2 COVID tests. There will be a 3-time room cleaning during my stay, and when there will be a room cleaning, it's called on this plan of my stay, it's called relax. Then I will be able to go out to the yard, to the garden. It's like in prison, the conditions are quite luxury like for prison, but still the idea is to keep us in the room because we cannot go around even in at hotel facility. There is a alarm when you're opening the door, so yeah, quite nice experience. So see you next time. I will show you something. When I will open the door, alarm is starting. Scary Magloi.